Hi, I'm Tharanga. I'm a process engineering student at QUT and I'm currently completing my placement at GPA Engineering. Come through and I'll show you around. My work experience at an engineering consultancy firm has given me insight into a number of different industries, from the oil and gas industry all the way to the renewables and even the manufacturing industry. One of the best things about working at GPA is the fact that my project team would take their time to bridge that gap between my knowledge, the technical knowledge that I've gained at uni, and the knowledge that's required for me to work on a project that I've been assigned to. I think practical experience that I gained here while I'm at uni has been very helpful with a lot of projects that I'm doing, even down to writing reports at uni. I know exactly how I would format a report and what the industry standard is like.